easier one and all, Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, my Ogbonge people, for subscribing and for watching and for sharing. Thank you, especially people where they share my video. God will bless you for me, my darling people. Anything one they look for this life, when I go see them. Thank you for sharing. My Ogbonge people, today topic, it shocked me like I not just know video when I see just now, I not just they happy, but I they always they advise our mothers them. I beg. Mona they look, Mona not they jogodo for where our children they again. Una not they yell. Eh? Because I don't just understand. A children of 6 years don't know how to jogodo now. These children have never ever reached 6 years. Children when we see so, if they're too big, maybe 4 years or 5 years, then they go there. As in, I believe, say, if children not see their mama, they do this kind of thing, they're not good one. Really. If children not see their mama, they do this kind of thing, they're not good one. And you know go tell me, say, this kind of children are not they watch social media. No. Because they na babies. How can a baby go just know how to jogodo with man? Just see two children they jogodo with each other. Two children. Is this world coming to an end? I don't understand. Like the kind of strange things wey come dey happen these days, it surprised me. Hey, I don't understand. My darling people, una don't ever see where five years through pikin go don't know how to jogodo 5 years. Not be somebody video the way that they do the thing, because the video deal with me now. Not be video when I feel put here. I say the thing shocked me. Children, they jogodo with each other. The other one pull, the other one. I said that they do one. I was like, is this world coming to an end? Wetin come dey happen for this world now? I don't understand. So, mothers, una no fit, I don't understand. That is why you see say to born many sometimes, it not see too good. Because why I talk am? Some people now go want jogodo, though they do for where their children dey. They say that they sleep. These children are not sleeping. They see everything. They see them. They'll pretend say that they sleep. They know they sleep. That is why, even though your husband, why even they play with you for where the children, they tell us say no. Give them a signal, say no. And even in the man, suppose even know, say, you know, good make you even do for where the children dey. And not they allow your pikin, we be saying a boy pikin, you go to sleep the same room with your pikin, we be saying they don't they grow. If they say they should babies, you see good. But this kind of two children now, we see now. Una want tell me now, say, these two children now, say, where they for learn their own? Where these two children for learn their own now? My darling people, where they for learn now? Not be that they see their mama they do am. Or if they just go for television, their mama they allow that they watch them. Where they for learn all those things? Now want tell me say, not be their parents aunt, or their mama they give their phone, you don't know, say where they just go to the inside, you leave her for them, make they wash. I don't understand. The time when I'll teach our children things. At that time, some of them go sit down for live video. They watch one video to another. They watch one video to another. All those saga of Facebook. Because I no see where small pikin of 5 years go come know how to jogodo. 5 years go don't know how to jogodo. 2 of them begin they practice. I don't want to see what they teach them for social media. Una way so na be Ekia Queen them. Una way they jogodo for live video for Facebook. Una don't see what una don't teach those children now be. I see this video, something just come up from my body. See, you still get another one what I fed do now. Where be say Small girl don't know. This one be like in South Africa, no know, this one not be Nigeria. The girl, he carry 2 children, they jogodo. One the jogodo are for back, one dey front. When you want to say that girl for learn that thing too. She been our village for learner. If they watch Facebook, if they watch social media, if they watch wetin dey happen, if they watch wetin dey happen, because where he wan learn all those things from? If they learn for a parent's hand, if they learn for a parent's hand, because if not be for a parent's hand, where small pikin now, small pikin we never know anything, where we can't learn all those kind of things from? A parent's hand. And some people dey, they go dey do am for where their children dey. They will think say all of them go dey sleep one room. They go dey jogodo for there. Their pikin go dey there, they look them. They will say no, you don't know anything as small pikin. You see, this one na 5 years. Even though na 3 years, not do am for their present. You see these children wey you see so, not be those children of that or before. These ones wey dey come now, they wise come for belle. Yeah, they wise. They wise come for belle. They wise come for belle. Those children wey they see now, the children wey they see now, they wise come for belle. But if you tell people no, they not go hear. You go say no, na small pikin. You never know anything. You never know anything. Whereas it's just from there they learn. From there they learn. They go to tell parents that they not go hear. One of the teach our children how to watch cartoon, watch other things. No, una go there they jogodo for their present. See small two children now begin the jogodo together. 2 children will never even, I don't know where they for learn all those things. I don't know. Okay, what will I can't get to talk for this one now? I've been at the one where I felt do that day. Where be say a young boy, the jogodo, another small picking from back, and a boy like her. Where they for learn them too? Where those swans for still learn them too? You know? So I beg, what would they teach our children better thing, Because all those videos we they see sometimes, so even talk, go they heavy me format. It could just the heavy me because I don't just know what to say really. Sometimes the thing would just they provoke me. I beg, parents, please. Not jogodo for where your children they again, please. Now beg I say beg una. Now beg now I say beg una.